Morning everyone and welcome back to our live. Happy blessed Sunday sa bawat isa. At tayo magsisimula na sa ating semifinal ng ating 2013 division. This is the battle of rivalry between Ateneo de Manila University versus our very own De La Salle Green Hills. Black boys. Yan, shoutout kay Idol France Dakanay. Let the battle begin for the championship game. Good luck, boys. And good morning po. Ayan, shoutout to our beloved Mayor Francis Zamora and Ma'am Carrie Zamora. Ayan, present po sa ating laban na napaka-supportive sa kanilang pamilya, hindi lang sa pamilya kundi sa ating buong San Juanenyo. Ayan. Semifinal. Let's start. Jump ball. First ball, makuha ng Ateneo with the steal. And first basket para kay Buenafe. Oh, steal. Back-to-back basket for Ateneo. Navy. There's a foul. Traveling violation. Robert Wall views in the glass and gets the foul. No good. Second shot, basket. Iggy, pass the Cruz. Thiago all the way. With a strong drive by Thiago Cruz. Oh, steal. Thiago sidestep. and gets the foul. But Buenafe. First shot is good for Thiago Cruz. Second shot for Thiago. No, rebound. Pencan with a strong drive. Another foul ang ibibigay sa Ateneo. On the free throw area, jersey number 9. That's Pencan. Yes. Second shot for Pencan. No good. Steal. Ojeda can end one. Basket count and one for Ojeda. Again. Good defense, Beken, Ojeda. There's a foul. Number 88, pass to number 25, block by Miggy. Miggy to Cruz. Iago all the way with a side step. By Thiago Cruz. Oh, bad pass, steal. Pencan, binali, wala. Rebound by Ojeda. Get the steal, good hustle, but there's a pushing foul by jersey number 9. Foul. Oopsie. Bad pass. Same ball. Oh, warning for delaying the game. Ateneo basketball. Number 85, running shot, miss, rebound. Number 85, blocked by Miggy. Rebound by Cruz. Bounce pass to Pencan. What an extra pass, Cruz. All the way. What a ball movement ang pinapakita ng Lasal. Timeout dito ang Ateneo. Official scores 9-5. 4-point lead para sa Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Our game clock. ball game. Steal. Martires to Cruz. Ayan na, pressure defense ng Lasal. Another steal. Ojeda. Bad pass. Makakuha ni Thiago. Pass to Cruz. My brother. Stop and pump. Short. Rebound by Torrio. Ayan na. Ang Ateneo. Number 85. Number 85. Crossover. Bounce pass. Number 95. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by Ken. Ojeda. Nagmamadali. Ayan na si Ojeda. Umatake. Basket is good for Ken Ojeda. Another steal for Ken. Oh, that's a trouble. Substitution. Sia coming in for Ken Ojeda. Oh, bad pass. Minutes and 52 seconds. Oh, what a nice drive coming from Cruz. Outlet pass. Running shot, too strong. Rebound. Out of bound. Score is 15-5. Torrio. Pass number 85. Number 85 for 3. No good. Rebound by Torrio. Pull up. Wala. Another rebound. Blocked by Miggy. Makukuha ni C. Pass Cruz. Cruz. Thiago. Ayan na. Oh! That's an offensive foul for Thiago Cruz. Bola na ang Ateneo. Outlet pass, number 99. Oh, that's a foul. Number 99, shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Second shot, basket. Cruz, pass to C. To Martires, Miggy. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, fade away, miss. Oh, Martires, Miggy. With a putback. 17-6. Buenape, spin. Pass number 81. Catch and shoot, short. Rebound by Cruz. Setting on the screen. Pinagay kay Cruz. At the post. Noah Zamora. Nabitawan. At nakuha ng Ateneo ang bola. Buenape. May tangan ng bola. Setting on the play. Buena Pe spin. Buena Pe drive. Another steal. Ayan na. Number 67. Pass to C. C will recover. C spin. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Miggy. Spin. No good. But this time, outside na. Abelion and Acuzar and Almeron rather. Ayun na, Miggy at the post. Get their height advantage. Buena Fe. Buena Pe, running shot, basket. Oh, still, number 99, running shot, and gets the foul. Pababain natin, kahit siya. 2 shots para sa Ateneo. Time remaining, last 15 seconds sa ating first quarter. First shot is good. Second shot for jersey number 99. Wala. Isa pa daw. Block by Miggy. Pass number 93. Buena Fe. 5 seconds to shoot. Gets the 3. Oh! Naihabol pa. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first period. Official scores 19-12.
Traveling eh.
Baba sa 7 ang kalamangan ng ating Las Sal Green Hills. Coming in. Acuzar and Almeron. C. And also Noah Zamora coming in for the second quarter. Let's go. Second quarter. Pass to Almeron. Hand off to Acuzar. See? Oh. There's a foul, number 99. Casanova, Zamora, spin, up and under. Oh! Basket is good for Noah Zamora. Ayan na, nagkakapisikalan na po. Buena Pe, running shot, miss, rebound by Endocando. Outlet pass. Here comes he, derecho, out of bound. move by Noah Zamora. Out that pass. Oh, good steal. Good defense for LaSalle. Eight minutes and 42 seconds. Buena Fe. Number 96, no good. Rebound. Acozar to C, top of the key for 3, no good. Rebound by number 87. Pass to Buena Fe. Buena Fe de Descarte. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to C. C to Acozar. Acozar, running shot, no good. Rebound by Enocando. Enocando. And that's a travel. Benape, nagmamadali. Here comes Benape. Pinigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Basket. See. Out that pass. Pass to Almeron. To C. C. To Enocando. Hand off to Acozar. Acozar. Umatake. Too strong. Out of bound. Ateneo basketball. Out the pass. Number 82. That's a foul. Ayun ang Kando. Time out. LaSalle Green Hills. Siya score 21-14. Leader pa rin sa ating LaSalle. Back to the ball game. Number 87, shooting for 2. Shot no good. Number 87. Enocando. Bad pass. Zamora to Almeida. Noah Zamora miss. Enocando no good. Offensive rebound by Noah and gets the foul. Two shots for Noah Zamora. First shot is good. Ayun, no? Ma'am Carrie and Mayor Francis Zamora is watching. Ayan na. Second shot, 2 for 2. Ay, Noah Zamora. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Buena Fe. Kick out. Number 85 for 3. At may sagot ang Ateneo doon. Baba sa 3 na lang ang kalamangan ng ating Lasal. Ojeda. Cross-court pass. What a ball movement. And Ocando's too strong. Another offensive rebound. He get their own miss. Ayan Ocando. Balik sa 5 ang ating kalamangan. Buena Fe. Outlet pass to Torio. Torio. Stop and pop. Uy, naipasok din. Ng kanilang big man. Pass to Ken. Ojeda. Nagmamadali. Ojeda. Oh, nabitawan. Last touch. Ateneo basketball. Uy, muntik ka na magawan. Ayan na, double team. Number 85, pinasa loob, walang tawag. Get the 3, oy. Out of bounds. Fake running shot, no good. Rebound by Enocando. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda. Uy, wala. Rebound. Last touch ng Ateneo. Pass to Ojeda, setting on the play. Pass to Enocando. Aguiar. To Cruz. Thiago spin. Thiago drive and gets a foul. Two shots para kay Thiago Cruz. First shot is good. Second shot for Thiago. Wala. Rebound by Torio. Yes, a foul. Buena Fe. Ligay, tumira sa 3, in and out, rebound by Enocando. Pass to Thiago. Uy, bad pass. Miscommunication there. Substitution. Pencan coming in for Noah Zamora. Torio. Pass number 89. Back to number 85. Buena Fe using the glass. Ojeda. pass to Enocando. To Pencan. Back to Ojeda. To Enocando. Jump shot, no good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Outlet pass, Buena Fe. Floater, miss. Torio. And one. By Torio. Ayan na, number 85. Out of bounds. Pass to Pencan, 4-3. Yes, sir. Last 52 seconds left. Cover and one. Ojeda. Ayan na. Change favor na tayo. 4-3, no good. Nakahabol na po ang Ateneo with a 1-point lead. Miggy. Nice shot Time out. Ateneo. Balik ang Kalamangan sa Lasal. Time remaining. Last 29.4 seconds remaining. Back to the ball game. Last 29 seconds. Let's go. Bola na ang Ateneo. Buena Fe. Pass number 95, 4-3, no good. Rebound, out of bound. Green ball. Martires, 4-3. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score 31-30 at magkakatpo muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating second half.